welcome back. Hope you're doing fantastic. If you're to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther, MsTopacJay. So I have a few products that I want to try out. Actually, random products. I haven't really even prepared them, but I've got them kind of laid out around me. So whatever my hand touches is what I'm gonna try. Okay. So I'm actually in the middle of filming a foundation test on the new Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. I just applied it. Okay, just so you know. If you're yet to join the FamBam, please subscribe down below. Turn notification as well, so that way don't miss out a single video from me. Okay. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into this video. All right, I'm trying to decide whether I should use these elf bite-sized eyeshadow in this video or I should use the one that I just got from Zoeva. I don't know. I already used it, so okay, let me just show you. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this, and I actually asked you babes to, those who follow me on Instagram and those who have Instagram, I asked you to vote on which palettes you want me to use first, and you voted for the hot jalapeno and I've already used it. I'm gonna put the video here in case you don't have Instagram. Yeah, so I actually got 4, and these things are so little, they're so cute. I love cute little makeup products. I don't know why. Oh, I do know why, because like if I am traveling and whatnot, like I just want to be able to reach for the little things, so that way like I don't take big items with me, because I've done it before where I travel and I took big items with me and it just ended up costing me money to send it back to Australia and all that, and I don't want none of that, you know what I mean? So I want to be able to have little things to reach for, which is why I really like sample items as well. So these little elf bite-sized eyeshadow palettes, I don't want to call it palettes because it's just so cute. They're adorable, they're cute, they're very affordable as well. They cost $6 Australian, and I'm sure for those of you in the US that would be like $3 US, and UK would be like £3 or £4. I bought 4 of them, so this is what they look like. This is the hot jalapeno, and it's just green. It's got a deep green here, which I actually feel like it has a bit of a bluish undertone to it, especially when I'm blending it with the second green. But I really like that. The shimmer in here shimmers nicely, applies really good. I didn't even have to wet it and whatnot. Beautiful. So this one is called Berry Bad, and I picked this because these are my kind of shades. You know, I love shades like this, you know, a flush of pink. This one as well, which is also right up my alley, is called Pumpkin Pie. Look at that. Just, I like that. And this one right here, which I like because it has that black in it, is called Truffles. Look at that. And you can see that black has a little bit of a bluish undertone to it as well, and it also has a bit of sparkle. You can see my finger has made a little bit of dent in it. Do you see that sparkle? So I also got this thing from Zoeva as well. This is a Zoeva Caramel Melange Voyager kit. I have the Zoeva Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. That's the only eyeshadow palette I ever purchased from Zoeva. The only product I actually have from Zoeva, period. But that one I really love it because of the color. It's just nice and natural, neutral, warmish colors, you know, right up my alley type of colors. So it's a mini eyeshadow palette and a mini highlighter palette. So this is the outer packaging, and this is what's in the box. Do you see how little cute that is? I love cute little packagings. This is the highlighter as well. And we have the Huda Beauty Lifeliner Dual Eyeliner Pencil in Liquid. This thing right here finally rubbed off the back of my hand after 3 days. The liner in here is strong. I intentionally didn't wipe it with my makeup remover because I wanted to see how long it would actually stay on the back of my hand, you know, even with me washing my hand vigorously many times a day, you know, as usual, and it stayed up the back of my hand for 3 days. I kid you not. I also have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, which I'm really excited to try. So because I already kind of know how the formula of the elf bite-sized palettes is, I'm just going to use one of them just to kind of complement the Zoeva one, you know. So let's use Truffles. If I was traveling, yeah, which is not gonna happen for a long time. I don't know if we will. If I was traveling, I'd take this, the Truffles, and I'd take Berry Bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this brown shade. Ooh, that's what happened when I was using the green one as well. Just a few kick up doesn't really bother me as long as it applies nicely, you know. I'm just gonna apply. Oh, I didn't set my base. See, I knew there was something missing. So to actually prep my base, I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the Jura Cosmetics Clean Canvas eye base. I've been using this off camera, and I've used the shade Cocoa. They actually launched 4 shades, so they have the shade Cocoa, medium, fair, and white. I've used the shade White, which is white, and my eyeshadow has never popped the way it popped when I use this. You can see my brush color in there. And this is the shade Fair, and my eyeshadow also didn't crease when I used this. But you know the shade that I love the most, the shade Cocoa, especially when you just want like a skin-like base. So I'm back to that shade, and I'm just gonna apply this in the crease. Look at that beautiful blend. Like, Look at that. I'm gonna go into the Zoeva Camera Melange palette and I'm gonna pick up the more of a blush shade called Aftertaste. It also has a fair bit of kick up. Just gonna apply this into the edge of that other shade and just bring it to my brow bone a bit more as well and bring it in just to kind of have that gradient. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, and open my eyes a lot more, you know. I'm gonna pick up the dark shade, the black. It's not that black, but the dark shade with a bit of sparkle. I'm just gonna put this in the, oh, that's black. Wow. Oh, and there's no fallout on my face yet. I'm gonna blend the edge because I actually want it to be soft. I didn't want it to be like a harsh. I underestimated this. Wow, that's nice though, but wow. All right, so I think I want to use a gold shimmer. This is called 182 degrees. That's so funny, this one right here. So let's try this. Okay, that's what we're doing. And I'm not even wetting it. I didn't, you know, cut my crease or anything. Just applying naturally. Would I take this with me if I was going somewhere, even though that's not happening anytime soon? Yes, but I feel like I would definitely need a complementary palette for it. Mainly because I actually feel like the shades in here are a bit too muted for this kind of punch of a shimmer shade. Do you know what I mean? So I feel like it needs to be applied next to a deeper color like this, or deeper brown or something like that. Or maybe mainly like if I applied the matte shades in here on my lid and apply the shimmer shades in inner corner and stuff like that, maybe that would be better. So these two products, the e.l.f. bite-sized palettes, the little things, are a hit for me. I love them. The packet punch, like what the heck, really cool. And the Zoeva one, I'm not surprised, I really like it. I can see that salmon shade in my, you know, around my brow bone and whatnot, and the shimmer shade packs a punch as well. So beautiful. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply eyeliner. So this is what the Huda Beauty eyeliner looks like. This is the outer packaging. I don't know why I put it back in its packaging after I swatched it, to be honest with you. I don't know. So it's double-ended. So this one you pull. This is for the waterline, which I'm gonna use as well. And this one you twist. This is the eyeliner. Let's go ahead and smudge in my waterline first. I saw Jojo Fine use this and that's why I bought it because it looked good in her waterline, like it just applied seamlessly. Whoa, I haven't applied eyeliner in my waterline and it goes on so smooth like that. Or maybe because I haven't used an a high-end eyeliner before. Have I? I have. Have I? I don't know. I think it's mainly NYX that I've used. Wow, that's like one coat. Wow. I'm not gonna tightline it up because that's not gonna happen. But that's really cool. Wow. Let's use the liner. By the way, I'll put Jojo's channel down below. Huh. This tip is interesting. Oh, it's brush. It's just very tiny. Okay, so with this liner right here, though it is pigmented, I have to keep dipping back into it because I feel like the product finishes from the brush. And I don't want to pick up too much to the point where it's now too wet, which it is right now. That's so glossy. Wow, that's big. That's so long. I can feel that drying on my eye. What? Oh. That didn't happen on the back of my hand. It's a little bit crusty, mainly on this side. And I think it's because it doesn't feel that way on this side. Oh, it does when I pull my eye. Okay. I think it's because like I dipped back into it and I layered it because the first application, like I felt like there wasn't any product on the brush. Huh. This is gonna be a little bit of a learning curve. Even though this thin, and I'm about to layer because there's a gap missing here, even though this liner itself is very pigmented, very long lasting, lasts like a long time, I feel like I might not like it because of the way it's kind of bunching up on my eyes. I don't know if you can see, but it's pigmented though. So I have the Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer, and this is in the shade 13.5. I'll put the information about it on the screen or down below. I've tried the Concealer Define Full Coverage Concealer. I've tried the full concealer from Revolution period. You know, even the Revolution Pro and whatnot, you know. So let's see what this one is about. I like the shade, and the applicator is so short, but I love it because the actual doe foot is a thick doe foot. That's what I like. You know, look at that. Do you see the way I applied on my nose? This is more so gonna be a coverage thing, really, not really a highlight thing. It's more so gonna be a conceal thing. But so far the concealer, I'm liking it. The way I'm doing my hand, I'm like, wow, okay. I actually really like that. I'm sure I can get it to a full, but I'm not gonna build it up because I'm aiming for more of a natural-ish look today. Okay. It did highlight me a little bit, but it concealed me a lot more than it did highlight me. Does that make sense? I was gonna put a little bit here because I didn't apply enough to actually show out. Wow, that's beautiful actually. And it complements this foundation shade. Nice. I really like the concealer. It looks really nice and natural on my skin. It looks just a teensy bit radiant, not a lot. So I really like it. Now, I don't know if I want to try the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. I have opened it. I have sniffed it. I do like the scent. It does take a little bit of getting used to. So this is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. And I picked up the shade Kunafa. And I'm excited. And I also love the fact that it has a net inside. There's this powder that I had from Auburn, I think it was, and it had a net inside. I remember I kept repurposing the packaging. I think I might have thrown it away already. Actually smells good now. I love it. But yeah, so I like that it has a net inside. Basically what the product is gonna sift through. I love that. So let's just apply a little bit. Just a little to see. Let's go in with a little bit more. Wow. I'm just trying to be careful. Ooh, I'm just trying to be careful, like, because I know that I do rush my makeup a lot. So I'm trying to just take my time, you know, especially because I haven't used this powder before. But I love that. Is it going to replace my Derma Blend powder? I don't know. I don't know. But damn, this is very close or the same almost. Oh. My dog is like, what's wrong with you? You're so disrespectful. Can you hear him panting? I need to cut his nails. You're disrespectful. This has a bit of coverage to it as well. It doesn't just highlight. I feel like it even amplified the coverage of the concealer. Oh my gosh. Ooh, do you see that liner? Do you see the problem? Okay, that's a problem. But the one in my waterline is still great. But that's weird. Whoa, but the back of my hand, it was good. But then again, that's the back of my hand, I understand. The powder clinged to it. Let me apply a little bit here. I believe I can fly. Oh, we don't sing R. Kelly in this house. So let me just fix this eyeliner. Yes, I'm gonna keep using it. I wanna, you know, just make sure it's not me. Mainly because I applied the back of my hand and I was happy with it. Let me go ahead and apply highlighter using the Zoeva Caramel Melange highlighter palette. Wow. Like this powder, look at my face. Oh, I'm already glowing a little bit here. So I'm just gonna pick up tasting experience. I'm gonna pick up this one. Just a little just to see and just amplify the glow on this side. Ooh. Highlighters always surprise me. Always, without fail. Oh yeah, I'm just applying it here. Just there. Maybe a little bit on my nose. Okay, it looks a bit here. Okay, we're applying everywhere. It's fine. Oh, Zoeva. Love this. I love that. Zoeva. I don't know if I said it. I applied a little bit powder in the back of my hand when I swatch it. But look at it on the face. It's just beautiful. Like, even I touch it and it's not even transferring onto my finger at all. You know what I mean? So I was gonna put on lashes, which is gonna be this 25mm lashes. Because, like, look at it with this look. Like, hello? Of course, that's what I'm gonna use. By the way, it's currently sold out on my site. It's coming soon, coming back soon. I'm so excited. All right, so I've had this as a decoration behind me for a long time, since I actually arranged my beauty room, my filming room, my office, or whatever we want to call it. Why am I fighting with myself? I don't know. Anyway, so in here, which I did tell you about a while ago, in here we have the Tom Ford. I think I did Google the price of this. Hang on. Wow. It's not bad. But for a mascara, that's crazy. That's almost criminal. Why am I whispering? It's 75 Australian dollars. How much is that in the US? $46. $46 US. Okay. Again, it's not terrible. Why am I whispering? It's not terrible, like, but like, it's a mascara, especially on me. You know, I talk about this a lot. A lot of times I use mascara mainly to coat my lashes, you know, because I don't have a lot of lashes. The main mascara I feel like has actually done something to my lash, especially when I'm not wearing makeup, is the Benefit Bad Girl Bay mascara. It actually extends, like, makes it look like my lashes a little bit longer than it is. I actually haven't opened this yet. As you can see, this was given to me, not by Tom Ford, not by any brand, but by a family member. Wow, that is luxurious. I mean, I just saw this in the picture, but looking at it in real life, it's so luxurious. Can you see it? Ah, wow, my fingernail is dirty because of the foundation. I'm just expecting to smell gold, you know? And even though gold doesn't have a smell. This is the wand. It's thick, but it's still, I don't know, Jay, let's just apply it. I'm expecting something, but the something has not arrived. It's coating my lashes though. Why am I shouting? It is coating my lash though, but it's not like it does. It just ruined my watch. Oh no, it didn't. So funny because I'm wearing Karl Lagerfeld watch. I thought I was wearing Tom Ford. Does Tom Ford even have a watch? I'm saying Tom Ford is expensive, and here I am wearing Karl Lagerfeld watch. I can't lift you. You're a big boy. Oh my God. Okay, look in the camera. Show them who you are. Look up. Look up. Are you shy now? The color, the mascara itself, the shade is black, you know. Let's call a spade a spade. For my itty bitty lashes, it doesn't do something extraordinary, but you bet I'm gonna keep using it. You're gonna be tired of seeing it because this $76 mascara. I have to finish it. It's okay. I like it. It's not too wet. It's not too dry. I can still feel it a little bit. Even though it's not too wet, it's still right. Hey, why are you licking my skin? The mascara is not bad, but for the price, oh my God. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes and I'll be right back, okay? All right, so we are done. I don't know where I left off, but I do remember showing you me doing my lower lash line. Basically picked up the two of the shades from the Truffles Elf Bite-Size palette, the black and the brown, mix it together and smudge in my lower lash line. I once again forgot the impact of the black and I almost had a boo-boo, but thank God for no booze. We're fine, okay? So all the products I tried today, I really like them, except for that liner part of the Huda Beauty Duo liner pencil. That all cracking situation, I need to understand why that's happening. Aside from that, everything else is nice. Like even it on my waterline is still like, it's still popping. It's still really cool. I really like it. The Elf Bite-Size palette I hit. The Zoeva eyeshadow palette is a hit. The Jara Cosmetics Clean Canvas, this is my first time trying it, always a hit. Tom Ford, it is all right based on my type of lashes. I wouldn't say I had a negative experience today, except for that Huda Beauty liner, as I keep saying. The Huda Beauty powder though is my absolute favorite, my second most favorite product to try today. Actually, it's a favorite product I tried today. I really like this. You're gonna see this all the time. You're gonna get tired of this, okay? Also, the Revolutionary Concealer Define Infinite Concealer, really nice as well. I really like it. I think that's the main thing I tried in today's video. Anyway, I don't know how this video is gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna go up. Thanks for watching all the same. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it wasn't too long for you. Let me know below what you think. I keep getting lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, thanks for watching, as I said, and as always, whatever it is, love yourself. Oh my God, grace, I pray. I see you in my very next video. Bye.